Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to unlink your Rockstar Games Social Club account from your Steam account. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to the Rockstar Games website. Sign into your Rockstar Social Club account using your credentials. Once you're signed into your Rockstar account, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account, then select Connections option. On the Connections page, you'll see a list of platforms linked to your account, including Steam if it's connected. You will see arrow icon next to the Steam. Simply click it, click the Unlink button next to it, and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the process. And that's it. That's how you can unlink your Rockstar Games Social Club account from Steam. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to ClickFix Tech, and turn on notifications so you never miss another step-by-step tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.